Hey guys, it's Shane from English Understood here. I would do homework every day, but I don't do it anymore. What am I talking about here? The past, the present, or the future? I am talking about the past. Huh? But Shane, would is used to talk about the future, right? Yes, we do use would to talk about the future, but we can also use it to talk about the past. This sentence, I would do my homework every day, is talking about the past. Was it a habit? Was it a routine? Something that I did very often? Yes, it was. Do I do homework anymore? No. So this is the meaning of would do my homework every day. It's finished now, but it was something that I did as a habit in the past. But I don't do it anymore. It's finished now. Another example. When I was a child, I would go to the park with my family every Sunday. What am I talking about? Past, present, or future? The past. Is it something that I did very often? Yes, it was. Do I do it anymore? No, I don't. So just remember, when we use would to talk about past habits, normally we use it with a present tense verb. I would eat. I would run, I would go. We normally don't use the verb to be with would when we're talking about the past. And to make it really clear that you are talking about the past, it's always best to give more information. For example, when I was a child, I would. When I was at high school, I would. When I was at university, I would.